Startup Dekhi Pioneer Summer, Rising Student Dekhi Digital Governance Award Summer, Yoho ICT Award, the biggest tech award of Nepal.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, ICT, for giving me this opportunity to present my idea. So let's start with the project overview. So we have created a deep learning convolutional neural network that is able to detect if a person has COVID-19 or not. We feed the neural network the lungs of a COVID-19 patient or a normal patient, and the convolutional neural network is able to predict if the person has COVID infection or not. So as you can see, this one is the lungs of a person of a COVID-19 on your right hand side, on your left hand side, and on your right hand side, we have a normal lungs. So let's look at the demo first. So as you can see on your screen, we went to CDC United States, and we took all the data, all the reasons of death, why people died of COVID-19. And we took all that data and we used text visualization from data science, and we created a model, and this is what we get. As you can see, respiratory diseases are the main reason of death in the COVID-19 patients, followed by circulatory diseases. If we got more specific, we can see like respiratory arrest, lower respiratory problem, influenza, and pneumonia, all are respiratory related diseases. So what we did was, so how this project is useful is, if we are able to detect if a person has COVID-19 infection, then early detection can save lives. So this is how we created the model. We collected the data, we went to Kaggle, and which is the largest data collection site in the internet. We built our convolutional neural network. We trained the model with around 2200 images, among which almost half of them were of COVID-19 patients, and the remaining were of like normal patients. And then when we feed the neural network with the data, with a new image, it can predict if a person has COVID-19 or not. So as I said, we went to Kaggle to collect all the images. So we use image classification algorithm, so that to enable the CNN model or convolutional neural network model to predict if a person has COVID-19 or not. Our accuracy, the accuracy of our model is 96%. That, like for example, by comparison, the RT-PCR is only 70% effective rate, but our model has around 96% effective rate. So application of this model, where can this model be applied? So it can be applied in countries, cities, villages, towns, somewhere and anywhere where RT-PCR kits are not available. There are so many places where RT-PCR kits are available, but there are like RT-PCR testing machines are not available because these machines are expensive. So this is where the model can be applied. Another benefit is like every hospital or health post all throughout the country has X-ray machines. So if a person comes to the hospital with breathing problems, you can just take an X-ray of the lungs, and like you use this model to predict if a person has COVID-19 or not, and then confirm using the RT-PCR way. But there are some limitations of this project in case of Nepal. Number one limitations is abundance of testing kit. When this pandemic started, that there was a kind of there was kits. There are a lot of RT-PCR testing kits available, so there is no need for this. Although if you deploy this model, it can help in early detection, and that particularly will save lives. Plus, there's another problem is like the moment if a person has already, if the virus has already infected the lungs of a person, is already too late. So that's the reason. That's in Nepal, and that's why we applied for this project, because the future of AI is very good in future pandemics. Now, regarding the future viability of this project, if a town or city, like we are still in the early stage of this virus is still like increasing rapidly throughout the country. Now, if a city or a town runs out of testing kits, then we can use this method to save lives. or in case if the PCR testing machine gets damaged all of a sudden, then this can be an alternate solution to help or detect COVID-19. Now, because this is a technology based, because this is a cloud based, it can be scaled all over the country, because every health post and hospital already has extra machines. So that's the thing.
Thank you, Abhishek. We'll see you in an hour or so. Thank you.
विस्तृत जानकारीको लागि लगइन गर्नुहोस् ictaward.org। ICT Award, honoring the best of technology sector in Nepal.